Afternoon all. I'm sat here, been sat here now for like 7 hours for product to be loaded into these black tanks, which you can see them there, those. I've got another 8 to be loaded, then I can get out of here and start heading back to, where am I heading back to? North Carolina, then up to New York. So there's going to be a lot to show. So I'm going to start getting back into these vlogs now. I just haven't really been into it for a while now, but now I'm going to start getting back into them and show you what I can see and how a day goes, or how badly a day goes. Anyway, I'll see you along the road.
You've been good. Willow's lip. What a sly little madam she is. Len, how you doing, Len?
In half a mile, take exit 60 on the right, onto I-64 east towards Missy.
Are evil. Oh, they just put loads and loads of branches out. The branches are almost like a bamboo. You get thick stems. Oh, I scared a bird. And they're pretty. And the birds go wild, and it's another food source for them. Hey Ma, how are you doing? Hang on, mate, where should we go? And it's called Himalayan pheasant berry. that midges, you can't see loads of little midges. Midges are like mini mosquitoes in the river. Ooh, I've got loads of toadstools. It's windy, she'll be out here, right, and she'll jump in 5 foot in the air sometimes. And she's collecting leaves and she stacks them in a gob like she had. That piece of...
I do. Yeah.
Yes.
Now, while you were going through this, at any time did that individual fire at you? Do you know if the gun went off?
I was screaming at the top of my lungs. I was screaming, drop the gun. The only thing I could think of was like, I'm saying drop the gun. I announced myself as, what the fuck is this guy pulling the gun at me? Like, it was,
Okay.
I don't know if he might
Okay. At any point, did you have any contact with that?
If I had to say something, I would probably say about like in this region right here. This
Well, I don't want you to have to say anything. That's why I asked you
Exactly.
So,
I
if you're safe saying where you're attorney.
It was somewhere in this, because I remember I didn't hug the guardrail. I remember I was coming wide. And I remember yelling aim.
Did you say police?
In quarter of a mile, turn
I don't know
left.
what to tell you.
What's that?
I don't know what to, I remember screaming, drop the gun, drop the gun. I remember screaming that. I'm sure I probably said police, drop the gun. It's just,
You don't remember?
I don't remember, yeah.
Okay. I'm happy with it.
In 400 feet, turn right.
Thank you very much, sir.
Newman Raj's case was highly contested and a huge staple in the news cycle for several years. In 2016, he was arrested on charges of murder and attempted murder. One charge for the volley of shots that were fatal, and another for the volley of shots that were not. In court in 2019, he didn't testify, which was within his right, but certainly didn't help his case. Ultimately, he was sentenced to 25 years in prison for manslaughter and attempted first degree. $2,477,259. Paula is on the right in 200 feet.
You have reached your destination. Continue south. Turn right. In 100 feet, turn right. Continue northeast. Continue west. Continue west. Continue west.
Right, that's another one done. I'm now back in North Carolina, just dropping this trailer off. Then I pick up another one about 25 miles down the road. Then we head up to New York, but we're going to go like around because going through New York's a little bit crazy. Well, Richmond and all that whole area going upwards is just crazy. So anyway, I'll see you in the next vid.